Hello guys and welcome back. Now in this video what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up our whole mission. So setting up the mission is your own choice wherever you want to put the keys and however you want to make the mission. But as you can see, we opened these three doors and right here we found a key for this door, and when we enter in this door, let me show you, we have one key right there which opens this door right down below, right? So when we open this door right here, the player will find the password. So now I will show you how you can put the password right down below. First of all, you will need to make this as a pickup item, alright, so that the player can pick it up. And after that, you can move it right there. Then click on sprites, and in sprites you will find this texture, which is this text right here. Password is 0741 and this material as well. Alright, so how you can add it right here, just simply create a 3D cube, and when you create a 3D cube you can resize it. So let me move it up like that and drag and drop this material to it. When you drag and drop the material to it, let's resize it even more like this. Alright, rotate it as well to this side, which is 1080 on the y-axis. Alright, you can make it clear as this and name this as password. Alright, you can create your own password, you can create your own texture for it in order to make the player guess the password, or you can type it in some other ways. That is totally up to you guys. Alright, for example, you can add one key or right here on the wall and then some under this sofa and anywhere you want, or you can play it on the television, the password. Alright, that is up to you guys. So when we put the password right here, then select this TV and put it on top of it. Alright, and when you do that, then we can go ahead and play the game again. Alright, let's pick up the first key. Go ahead and open up the first door. Alright, let's pick up the second key and open up the second door. Drop it, select the third key, and using this key we will open this door. Oh, the door is not opening, I don't know why. Okay, it is opened. Right, now we can pick this TV up, as you can see, like this, and drop it wherever we want. But as you can see, the TV just stays in the air and we actually don't want that. We need to add a rigid body to this TV. But as you can see, we can pick up the TV and here is the password. Let me add a rigid body to this TV and then show you guys again. Alright, so get back right here, click on the TV, add a rigid body to it, and make sure that you either remove this mesh collider or make it convex. Alright, or else it will give you an error. Let me add a box collider to it like this. Alright, then let's test it out again. Alright, so now we can pick it up and drop it anywhere we want. Okay, and here is the password. We can go ahead and type this password in there. Okay, right here, as you can see. So you can set up this whole mission according to your own liking, but the next thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this door open up freely, and then inside this door I'm gonna put one more key, and that key gonna open up the door which is right down below in here. Alright, and I will put that X in there so that the player can pick it up. Alright, but in the introductory video you saw that we pick up the key for the cage down below in this room. So if you want, you can set it up in there. But As you know, now that you guys can add keys and add doors, so that is a task for you guys to do it by your own self so that you practice it. All right. So let's go ahead and click on this door. And on this door, what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy the script from our second door right here. Copy component. This is this exact door 002. Then select exact door 004 and paste the script. And then we need to create animation for this. All right. So you can click on this again, click on animation, then click on create. When you click on create right here, get inside the door anim folder, and right here, let's create a idle 4 animation for this. All right. And make sure that before recording the animation, you set this door Z rotation to 0, and then move this door right here. All right. Make sure it fits in this whole area like this. Then click on record and change this from 1 to 0 and then again back to 1 so that it records. As you can see, here it is. Then create a new clip, name this as door open 4. Alright, click save, and now let's record the animation. Whoops. Okay, let's record the first animation, the first clip, then move 15 seconds forward and rotate the door. Alright, move the door back right here. Alright, then move 15 seconds more, rotate it even more, and then move it back. Then again, rotate it even more, and then make sure that it fits right like this. Alright, then 15 more, and record it, and then move it back right there. Alright, let's stop recording and test it out. Okay, here it is. It looks good. So now while selecting this door, click on its animator. Alright, it's not showing, so we can just double click on its animator and scroll out. It's still not showing. I think there is a bug in Unity. Sometimes this happens. As you can see, it shows this error again and again. So let me just restart my project and I will show you. Alright, so I restarted my project and here is the door 4 animation right here. Alright, create a trigger by the name of open, make a transition from idle to door open, and add the trigger, remove as exact time, select this animation, double click on it and remove loop time. Alright, and the script is already added. We just need to remove this key layer name. Alright, let's now go ahead and play the game and test this door out. This door will open without any key. So let me pick this, then get right here, open this door, drop the key, pick this one up, then this key. Alright, open now this door. And now when we get right here, as you can see, this door can open without any key. And now we're gonna add our final key right here, which will open the cage door as I told you, which is in the basement. And then from there we're gonna pick up the X in order to bring these wood planks down. Alright, so stop the game. Alright, in here first of all let's add a key. Alright, it will be the other key, which is in here. Alright, this one. So add this key. Alright, make sure that you resize it so that it looks good. Then you can rotate it on the x-axis by -90 and put it right here or anywhere you want to put it. Alright, when you put it, then what we can do it, drag and drop it in the key holder, and just like these other keys, we can tag it as pickup item, and we can set the layer. This will be the cell door key. Alright, copy it because we will be typing this in the door as well. Alright, so when you do that, then add the box collider and rigid body. So let me just copy this box collider and paste it onto this key, and also add rigid body as well. Make sure that it fits the whole key. Alright, it looks good, and that's it. Now we can work on the door in the basement. So this will be the door. Alright, click on it. Let's first of all animate it. So create animation for it in the game folder, then the door anims right here. We'll create idle 5. Alright, as you can see, it is on -180. Make it 0 and this to 90. Alright, make this 180 now. Actually, let's go back by using Control Z and make this 180 instead of -180. And when you do it, it is in the same place. Okay, so now select it. Here is the idle, record it, and make this 7 back again. Then create a new clip by the name of door open 5. Start recording, do the same thing, then move 15 seconds, and this is going to be open on the front side like this. Alright, so move it to the front side and make sure that it is perfectly aligned right here with this. Alright, then we can move 15 seconds more and rotate it even more and make sure it is aligned. Alright, like this. Then 15 seconds more, rotate it and make sure it is perfectly aligned. That's it. Stop the recording. Let's move back. As you can see, here it is. Now we can click on its animator. Here it is. Create a trigger open, then transition, add the condition, and then double click on it and remove loop time. Get back right here, click on this door again. Now we need to add a script to it. So if I select my exact door 2, let me copy that and select this door again and paste it. And this will need this key, which is cell door key. So right here type cell door key. Alright, and then we can move this X inside. So select the X and move it inside. That is it. Alright, and as I told you, you can make your own mission if you want. You can put these keys anywhere you want and open whatever door you want. Now let's test this game once more. Open this door, drop the key, pick this key, open this door. Now pick this key and we're gonna now open the dining room area. We're gonna see the password first of all right here. So pick that up, drop it. This is the password 0741. We will get right here 0741. Okay. Let's get back right here. Let's pick it up, drop it, open this door, pick this key. Okay, it can be picked. We can get down now and right here open this door. As you can see, we can drop the key and pick up the X and then get right here, remove that, remove this one, and door is fully unlocked. Now when we unlock this door fully like this, alright, then what we want to do, we want to play the cutscene, but we gonna add cutscene at the end. After all of this door system ended, all of the key system added, alright, once this all is finished, now the next thing which we will be adding is the granny and some shooting. So from the next section we're going to be doing that. So see you guys in the next one.